National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, northern Cheshire County in southern New Hampshire, northwestern Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, western Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 26 miles west of Lebanon to 13 miles west of Claremont to 8 miles northwest of Charlestown to 8 miles northwest of Walpole to 9 miles northwest of Westmoreland, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Claremont, Henniker, New London, Grafton, Charlestown, Enfield, Antrim, Bradford, Bennington, Danbury, Newport, Gilson, Windsor, Walpole, Warner, Hillsborough, Alsted, Marlow, Surrey, and Sullivan. This includes Interstate 89 between mile markers 18 and 48. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire, Cheshire, Hillsborough, Merrimack, and Sullivan.